In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly navigate through your Shopify store's dashboard. Whether you're a new user or someone looking to become more familiar with the intricacies of Shopify, this guide will help you understand the essentials. First, let's start by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page known as My Store. This is where the journey truly begins. From here, you'll want to locate the Home button. Clicking on Home will bring you to your Shopify dashboard, which serves as the command center for all store-related activities. It's designed to give you a snapshot of your store's performance and highlight any new or important updates that may need your attention. Next, let's move to the Orders section. By selecting Orders, you can manage your customers' purchases. This area is crucial for keeping track of pending, completed, and canceled orders. It also allows you to fulfill new orders and communicate with customers regarding their purchases. Managing orders efficiently can significantly enhance customer satisfaction, making this section especially important. Once you've become acquainted with orders, it's time to check out the Products section. By clicking on Products, you gain access to your entire inventory. Here you can add new products, update existing ones, and organize them into collections. This feature is invaluable for ensuring your inventory is up to date and accurately represented online, right down to descriptions and pricing. After familiarizing yourself with the products, head to the Customers tab. This is where you'll find all customer-related information. It includes customer profiles, purchase history, and allows for direct email communication. Understanding your customers' needs and buying habits is key to offering personalized service and enhancing marketing strategies. Following that, explore the Marketing section. This tab provides tools to develop and manage your marketing campaigns. From email marketing to social media advertisements, this section helps drive traffic to your store, boosting visibility and sales. The Discounts tab is next in line and is all about creating and managing special offers. Discounts are a powerful way to attract and retain customers, allowing you to develop promo codes or automatic discounts to encourage purchases. Moving on, the Content section is where you manage your store's visual and textual media assets. Effective content management is crucial for maintaining an engaging and professional online presence. Next, explore the Markets tab. This feature helps you expand your sales reach to international markets. Here you can explore currency conversions and manage sales channels in various geographic areas, thus broadening your customer base. Close to the end of our navigation journey is the Finance section. Dive into your financial reports, manage payouts, and gain insights into your revenue and expenses, which are important for effective financial planning and growth strategies. Finally, as we conclude, familiarize yourself with the Online Store tab. This is the place to customize your website theme, arrange navigation menus, and ensure your store represents your brand effectively. Having a well-designed online store is essential for attracting and retaining customers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now feel confident navigating your Shopify dashboard, making the most of its features to drive your online business forward.